just a few hours away, awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for, where you can enjoy sunset beach walks without special someone. But a holiday isn't all lounging around. Feel the thrill of the wind at your back with a bout of windsurfing. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this beach a great choice for the next family holiday. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.